Top 5 fruits for cold and cough relief. Winter season, sweet lime, or most zombie. It's super gentle on your stomach, packed with hydration, and gives your body the support it needs to recover. Gooseberry. This little powerhouse is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, making it the ultimate winter immunity booster. Dates are warming and give you a nice energy boost, which is great for respiratory health. Figs are fantastic for soothing a pesky dry cough. Apple. An apple a day really does help. Its anti-inflammatory properties are wonderful for your respiratory system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.